kids, and welcome to Toy Factory TV. Awesome! Giant Thomas Surprise Egg and Thomas Mashems. Let's take a look inside. Yeah, we got Toby, number 7. Super squishy and super stretchy. Another Thomas Mashem. Let's take a look inside. Alright, we got James, number 5. Super squishy and super stretchy. Awesome. Last one. Let's take a look inside. Cool. We got Gordon, number 4. He's so squishy and so very stretchy. Cool. Thomas Mashems. Giant Thomas Surprise Egg. Let's peel off the Play-Doh. So many bits of Play-Doh. Surprise egg. Awesome. Take and play engines. Let's take a look. Super cool. This is Gordon. He's the number 2 engine. We've got Percy. He's the number 6 engine. We've got James. He's the number 5 engine. He's so funny. We've got Toby the tram engine. He's number 7. He's a funny shape. And last, we've got Thomas, the number 1 engine in Sodors. Hi Thomas. Super cool funnel. Alright. Awesome! Trackmaster engines. These are huge. This is Edward. He's number 2. And this is Percy. He's number 6. Hi Percy. Let's watch him go. Look at his wheels. And he's off. Let's turn him off and put him back. Now we've got James. He's the number 5 engine. Let's watch him pull his tender. Oh, he fell. Oh, he crashed. And he's back. Now we've got Toby, the number 7 tram engine. Let's watch him go. And he's off. Number 1 engine in Sodors. It's Thomas the tank engine. Thomas is blue. See you next time. If you liked this video and would like to watch another video, press here now. If you'd like to watch a different video, press here now. To subscribe to Toy Factory TV, press this button now. See you next time.